My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 Volkswagen Golf. This vehicle has done just over 39,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as driver assist. And on the right, we have voice control and our heated steering wheel. Moving on to our screen, we can access telephone and media, navigation and our vehicle settings, background, sound, users, and app connect. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen, we can access menu, assist, and climate control, which includes heated seats on either side. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.